Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and hey, the great folks over at VEVOR, they sent me an item to review for you today, and I gotta tell you, it's that time of year coming up quick. Are you prepared? What I'm talking about is family gatherings, making meals for friends, filling up the ice chest to go camping. Do you have an ice maker? This ice maker here will make 50 pounds in 24 hours. Obviously, you need to keep adding water and emptying the bin to make the 50 pounds, but it'll make up to 50 pounds overnight. It'll easily fill up your ice chest in no time at all. And whenever I use an ice maker like this, I'll fill it up, I'll let it run, and next thing you know, this bin is full. You empty it, you walk away, you're doing your thing, it's full again, you have to add water, you know, and it works. You just let it run all day long, especially if you have company over. I have a ice maker in my refrigerator. Yeah, this is my refrigerator ice and water dispenser. And I don't know if you have one of these, but they don't always hold a ton of ice, especially when you have guests over. Pulled it out of the freezer, you know, and that's the full bin. Now, you're only going to get like maybe 3 to 4 full glasses of ice. Yeah, and it doesn't make it fast enough to keep up, that's for sure. And as you can see, like I said, if I have a dozen people over here during the summer and it's hot and we're all drinking iced tea or soda or whatever you need ice for, that ice machine in the refrigerator just cannot keep up. So what I do is I get the ice maker going as well, and if I have too much ice in there, I'll just pour it in like a Ziploc bag and throw it in the freezer, and it definitely keeps up with the whole party the whole time everybody's here. I mean, we had up to 20 people here and never had any issues with running out of ice, except when out of the refrigerator. That does run out, it doesn't keep up. Anyway, let me go over this a little bit better for you. You can see it up close and personal. Okay, VEVOR, tough tools, half price. Boy, that's the truth. And here it is, stainless steel body. It looks pretty cool. It's about the size of like a coffee pot. It's not real big. It's about 15 inches tall. And here is where the ice is dispensed. Right there's your bucket. You just pull this out once it's full. Set it back in there and close the lid. And there's a little scoop that comes with it. And underneath here, when it's time to drain it, just move it over your sink, pull the plug, and all the water will drain out right there. So pretty handy. And this does have a self-cleaning feature, which is pretty handy as well. And this right here is you push on the top, and that's where you put your water in. So let's throw some water in there. And I'm going to go ahead and fill this up to just under the max line. Let's get this thing going. Let's give it a shot. All right. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, so I decided to go over this a little bit. The ice is being made right now. So up here are indicator lights, and it says reserve, and that's basically so that you can start this like within 8 hours, 24 hours later, as long as you got the water in here. It's kind of like a timer to start when you need it. A full ice indicator. Your add water if the water's getting low, and your clean when it's cleaning, and that's your clean button, your small ice, your large ice, and your power button. It's very easy and simple to operate. Your water goes in here, and that's where it's making the ice. It's getting ready to dump the ice. You can see that these are frozen right here. And there it goes. We've got ice. Now it's going to start again, and it'll start running the ice over these bars here that are really cold, and it just starts freezing it as it runs over the little bars. You can see the water that's in here is starting to freeze on those bars. There's this one right here. There it goes. Water should start flowing here pretty soon. And there it goes. And see, you can see it it just instantly starts freezing right there. All right, we're gonna let it do its thing. Okay, there you go. Nice clean cup of ice. Let's get some tea. Didn't have VEVOR in there. Look at that. Iced tea, ice out of the VEVOR ice machine. Okay, so I got myself a nice refreshing glass of iced tea. And of course, comes with a instruction manual. This is the model ICM 2366, and it tells you about this thing. What I really like about this one is it's got a self-cleaning. So when you're done with it for the day, you got water in the back, you hit the self-clean, and it basically cleans everything, sends it through the front, and then right up underneath in here and about the center, there's a plug in the bottom, and you can drain all the water out. So it drains the water out of the tank into here, and then you just drain it, you know, set it over your sink and let it drain out and let it dry before you put it away. So yeah, pretty nice. And it's not even all that loud. I mean, I'm not sure if you can hear it. I'm sure you can hear it, but it's not that loud. My cabinets are only like 15 inches. And this is 15 like in a quarter or 15 and an eighth tall. So it doesn't slide underneath. My cabinets are 38 inches tall instead of 36. So if you have the regular standard countertop and cabinets, if you want the ice maker on your counter, it'll slide right in there. It doesn't really take up much more room than a coffee maker. But anyway, you know, it tells you, it's got all the operations, what everything means inside, how to do your preset, how to do the cleaning, and of course there is some troubleshooting in case you have any issues with it. But I got to tell you, I've had VEVOR products for quite a while and I haven't had any issues, knock on wood, yet. Okay, so I'm going to keep letting this thing run, and I'll leave a link below. It's a good looking little machine. I'll leave a link below. There will be a discount code. And if you're in the market for an ice machine, this thing so far works really great, and it does do it within 15 minutes, I think. Maybe 15 minutes to even get your first bit of ice. And you know, this weather's been crazy. It's been snowing one week and 80 the next. Like, it would snow. You probably, if you see my videos, it snowed one day and 4 days later it was 80 degrees. Today it's a little overcast, but the hot weather is coming. Be prepared. These ice machines are pretty handy to have, especially if you do entertaining at all, or if you just like to use a lot of ice throughout the day. A lot of people, man, they'll fill their cup up full, you know, and have a drink and refill it and have a drink, and next thing you know, there's no ice. This one works pretty good. If you like iced tea, it's going to be great for you. Okay, check it out. Thank you, VEVOR. I hope you all have a great day, and come back. We cook, we review, and hopefully you like the stuff I'm bringing to you. We'll see you on the next video.